Yo, welcome back to another Game of Goose video. Today we're looking at Australian animals attack. Yeah, they're crazy here in Australia. We might as well look at which one's the scariest. And this is all caught on camera. And let's watch some funny shit. Righty, let's go. The link to this original video will be down in the description if you want to watch it without my bullshit. That's all good. We might as well get into it. Yo, emus are scary, man. Yo, he's old. What's the guy gonna do? Oh, yo, he got leaped, that boy. The fuck? He's looking for a hug, bro. He's looking for a hug, and he's letting him fall. Oh, he's definitely 80s, man. He got me boob. Dude, why are you fucking around the shark, bro? Why are you fucking around the shark? Yeah. You ain't no Steve Irwin, man. Oh. Man, why are you letting your kids around just with emus? Look, they were just standing there laughing. Oh man, don't fuck kangaroos, man. Oh. He's jump punched him. Yeah, no. Nah, man, this is making me fidgety right now. Oh, dude. Oh, it's under the fucking shelf. You're fucked. You're fucked. I'm burning the house down, bro. Hey, man, let me in, bro. Let me in, bro. I just want to talk. Don't talk, man. Come on. Oh. New UFC main event, February 2022. Let's go. Yo, that kangaroo ran off.
Oh my god, it's a kangaroo.
A kangaroo. There's a kangaroo, yeah. It's a kangaroo.
I've never seen a real life kangaroo.
Fucking drive around here 5 minutes and you see about 20.
What the hell is that?
What do you mean, what the hell is that? You said a kangaroo. What do you mean? Ready? They're pretty easy to set off. Another Amy, man. Fuck. Dude, they will destroy your camera and you. Oh, hey, just one up the window a little bit. Oh man, why are you letting your kid run off the kangaroos, man? Silly. Oh, damn. Oh, that's a bit cute. Oh, that's not scary, that's cute. Damn, he's thirsty, man. That's me on a Sunday morning, holy shit.
Having a good time? Hey?
He's hungry. Oh.
That was a kookaburra.
That was a kookaburra. Kids like, the fuck?
Oh my goodness. No, he didn't. No, he took it.
Where did you get it from then?
Yes, Dad, he did. He was double parked, mate, which looked like turds in his hand. He was double parked.
There we go.
Open your eyes, mate. Oh my, is that a vulture, bro? Is that a vulture? They're not here in Australia. Oh my god, if they're not here in Australia, man, I'm moving country. Yo, they're scary, man.
Where polar bear? A polar bear. It's a bloody wombat. Tell Dad if you see a wombat.
Tell that kid he needs to get back to school, man. I'm sorry. A fucking polar bear. A wombat. Oh, he's living his best life, man. He's living his best life. Man, why are you letting kids fuck around kangaroos, man? You can't just play with kangaroos. They'll rip your shreds. Dude, he's squaring up on the kid. Look at him, he's squaring up. It's the Conor McGregor of kangaroos. Oh man, that's a flimsy tree, bruh. That's a flimsy tree. Oh no. That's gonna snap, bro. That's gonna snap. Oh, that would ruin your day, man.
Sunning himself on the bank.
Bro.
This could throw it in me.
That's what you think, man. He's smarter than you. He's smarter than you. He's waiting. Yeah, see? I fucking told you, bro.
Let's settle down, boy.
Settle down, boy. Yeah, oi, a koala will ruin your day. He'll climb like a fucking tree and get high on you. What's it called? That apple tree. Is this filmed in a microwave, bro? Oh. I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that at all. Oh, it got him too. Oh, bruh. Bruh, I've seen many a porno end like that. Oh. Dude, that is scary, man. Oh, it's two of them? Holy shit. Yo, this doesn't look like Australia. This is not Australia. He's got a kangaroo, but... Don't hold his hand, he'll rip you to shreds. See? It's the most random video, bro.
Give us the money.
Oh, man.
Give us the money.
He's like, pay your fucking rent. Pay your rent. Yeah, man, I'll just leave it. That much dosh, just let the dog get bored with it.
Oh, Elise, I'll protect you. I'll protect you.
Okay, Dad's gotta...
He won't protect you because he's about to get mauled. Yep, see? He gonna get fucked up.
We're leaving Daddy to go live with the emus. He's joining their flock.
They're a flock.
He's looking for
Careful of the fence, man.
emus.
You ain't never seen your dad again, I'm sorry. He dead. Oh. Oh, he's having a bath. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's a bit wet. Bit wet in the tushy. Oh my god, more kids and kangaroos. What are you doing? And he's wearing a nappy. Oh my god. This is me in 10 years. Come on. Hey, yo. If this isn't everyone's fucking grandpa, man, they are too stubborn to cut the line. If this is not everyone's grandpa. Every grandpa is like this. Look, he's firm in that, man. Oh, he fell in. Oh my god. Okay, fuck. Someone come get your grandpa, man. And I bet you still didn't let go. And you're letting a kangaroo eat paper. Okay. Oh, this is a fucking kinky bird, bro. Fuck your washing, man. Fuck your washing. Fuck your panties. And fuck these panties. And fuck that shirt. Oh, it's penguins. Oh, they're double teaming him. Oh, shit. Oh, he rocked up to the wrong neighborhood. Oh, man. He fucked off those other penguins, those baby ones. Hey, man, what's up, man? I'm just chilling. Bro, get him a beer. What are you doing? Why are you just watching it? Give them a fucking beer. Yeah, man, honestly, you're laughing, but even a koala that size will fucking do damage.
Probably thinks you're its mother.
Don't you insult koala mothers like that, you bitch.
Oh, darling, what a cutie.
Oh, darling, what a cutie. Oh, you fucking bitch. Oh, fuck you, man. Fuck you. Man, fuck you. Oh, fuck you, man.
Put up with it, Mum.
Oh, shit. Oh, that's isn't a bitch. Is that a wombat versus kangaroo? Holy shit. Yo, the wombat would win this, man. They are fucking vicious. Oh, no, that poor Santa. Oh, he's taking his pants off. Oh, shit. Oh, this has become MA15. Oh, my God. Oh, is it goat versus kangaroo?
Hey,
Oh.
don't be so mean to Marley.
Marley. More emus, man. Fuck. Do not wind your window down. I know if these are tourists, they're gonna wind down their fucking window. I know it. Do not. Do not.
It's not no food.
It's not no food. Do not wind down your window.
No, I'm scared.
You should be. Dude, this is a determined emu, ain't gonna lie.
Okay, go. Go see the car behind me.
Yeah, just go kill other people and not ask police.
There ain't nothing there.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was when Australian animals attack. If you like videos like this and want me to continue to do more videos like this one, pretty much reaction videos, anything funny, please like this video, subscribe, comment down below what you'd prefer me to react to, or if you want me to continue to react to fight scenes in movies or anything like that. And thanks for watching guys. Have a great 2022 and I'll catch you later.